I decided to quickly make this timestamp video. So for those of you who doesn't know how this chapter come about, this is how to get this chapter on your video. It's very simple. You can see on my video, you notice some cuts that is on the video that is giving your video chapter, because there are some people that might see your video and they just want to watch a specific place in your video. So all you need to do is to talk about how you arrange the video, maybe on ChatGPT or maybe on any notepad. It's always start from 00 seconds. You can see this video here. You see it did not have any timestamp at all. That's why I decided to use this video to create it, so you see it from scratch. You can see it does not have anything, but now I'm going to go edit it now. Look at it. This is where you paste it. If your video is not an educational video, just paste it on your description. If your video is not an educational video, when you are done loading it, go back to your video. If you notice here, you will notice that it has separated them, and I've given them timing. So that is how you make your time stamp. You notice now you can scroll, you can decide to click any chapter to watch if you have interest. That is how you arrange your time stamp. It's based on what you write that determine what is going to categorize it as. I hope this video helped you to arrange yours. Take care of your heart. Love you. Bye.